What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet again another unboxing. Welcome back to JECS. Today we're gonna be doing a very cool unboxing. I'm very interested in this one. It is the Supreme Vanson Leathers work shirt. So yeah, this was like honestly a last minute cop. The day before the drop actually happened, I went ahead and went for it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. So got it, and I'm very interested in seeing what this is because obviously this is a work shirt and there's seemingly no leather on this, but I definitely want to cop it, for $200 at like the price point. You're pretty much paying for the name, but I was hoping hopefully the quality is good. So I'm gonna keep it real with you guys as always, like how I do on JECS and on my main channel, JECS Gaming. Make sure you guys definitely subscribe and check that channel out, my main channel. I definitely want to see how this is going to feel in hand, so I'm very excited for it. So without further ado, man, enough talking. Let's get right into it here. And don't mind the undershirt. This is gonna be the shirt that I wear when I try it on as well, because I don't want to like get it dirty, because I just want to showcase it for you guys. So I don't mind the undershirt because I'm not gonna be going out anywhere right now, so I want to keep it clean for now. But anyways, here's a look at it. You guys can see what it comes in. This is an extra large as well, and we can already see some of the embroidery and stuff as well on it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Definitely let me know if you guys did plan on picking this up. Which colorway did you guys get? Did you guys go for all three colorways? All of the colorways were really nice. The pink one was a really cool one as well, but I wanted to just stick with the all black just for the niceness of how it looks and how clean this already looks. But here's a look at it in hand. Oh wow. Hey, here's a look at it. Here's a look at all the patches. You guys can see the patches off rip. And here is a look at the back. So like I predicted, obviously I expected the patchwork on this to be really good, because for a work shirt to cost about $200 after tax is pretty crazy. And yeah, it looks and feels very nice. All cotton feels good. Buttons seem good. So yeah, overall I'm impressed with the quality. Pretty much paying for the name though, like I said. And the back, yeah, really good embroidery on the back as well. So yeah, we'll check it out. Here's a look at the inside as well. Vanson Leathers frame inside too. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and we'll go ahead and check it out on in body as well. All right guys, so here's a look at it without it being buttoned up. And like I said, don't mind the shirt. I thought I had a black shirt, but I can't find it anywhere, so I just found what I can. But like I said, I don't want to get it dirty since I'm not going anywhere right now, but still want to give you guys a cool showcase of what it looks like. And honestly, this still works with it. But here's a look at it without it being buttoned up. Looks really cool. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks good. The patches, like shockingly, like because it's like all up here, it still works really well. That looks nice. Feels very good. Lightweight as well. Back. But yeah, really nice quality. And it's like, yeah, you're paying for the name, you know what I'm saying? But honestly, I think it works really good. It works. So if you guys plan on getting it, definitely. This is an extra large too. If you want to go up a size, you honestly could as well. I think if you go up a size, it won't have like an oversized look. It'll like still look natural on you too. So, but my true to size is extra large. It's about right. So that's really cool. But definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Looks like all unbuttoned up. You guys can see. All right, guys, here's what it looks like when you completely have it buttoned up. Still looks very clean. And it's really, here's the thing about it, really nice branding. As you guys can see, branding all over, looks really good. Got the Supreme logo here, Vanson Leathers as well on it, and all the embroidery looks nice and great with it. Out of it, man. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. It looks really good. How would you wear it? Would you guys, you know, have it unbuttoned? Would you guys just wear it with an undershirt? Would you guys wear it without an undershirt? Me, you know, I would probably wear it with both styles, like an undershirt or without an undershirt. But it works really well. And honestly, it depends on the occasion. I kind of like the unbuttoned look, but if you want to have like a more classy type of look to it, button it up, makes it look nice. As you guys can see on the chest, there's buttons here too, so really good overall. And this is actually one of my first Supreme work jackets, not work jacket, work shirts. So for it to be a Vanson Leathers one as well, yeah, I can't complain about that at all. But it looks good, yo. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Looks really nice. You can definitely throw on like this. That's why I like the black colorway the most, because I feel like it's just so easy to wear. This, you can wear some nice shoes, nice pants, easy, absolutely easy fit. So let me know what you guys think. Here's what the sides look like. Yeah, man, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. All right, guys, so that's everything for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the Vanson Leathers Supreme work shirt. Overall, I'm actually very pleased. Now, I'm gonna keep it real with as always, man. It's a really nice piece. Do I regret getting it? Absolutely not. In hand, it looks amazing. It's very lightweight, very comfortable. Patches look great. Like I said, the only thing that I'm not the biggest fan of is the price for this work shirt, but you're pretty much paying for the name. You know, if it wasn't Vanson Leathers, it probably would have been like probably 150 at max, 130. But you know, it's a cool piece to have, especially you know with the collab with it. So hey, I think it's worth copying, and honestly for resale price is not too bad. So if you plan on picking this up via the resale market, buy it now, because this is the best time to get it. It's not that much over retail, and also years from now, as most Supreme pieces do, especially something like this, the price is going to go up. So you're better off just picking it up now before it's too late. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you guys for being here. Definitely drop a comment and let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. I think it looks really nice, especially the back as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys on next one. I'm signing out. Peace.